Joining two pieces of wood may look simple, but one small detail changes everything. Before fastening them together, a quick adjustment creates a much stronger and cleaner joint. The connection becomes more durable, the finish looks professional, and the entire project feels more solid. It's a simple woodworking trick experienced builders use, and once you see it, you'll never join wood the same way again.